Hello, welcome back to Between the Keys. Got another Eminem track for you today, one of the new ones, part of the US Top 40, which I've been teaching my way through. This one is called Houdini. It's by Eminem. It's a 3-chord song. Actually, I was going to say ripped off. It's not the right phrase, but he's using an old song, right? What do they call that? Not ripping it off. Someone, if you're watching in the comments, tell me what it's called. They use an old song, make it a new song. Sampling? Is it a sample? Sampling it? Anyway, whatever. He's using this Abracadabra by the Jeff Healey band, I think. The same one who did the other song. I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker. Play my music in the sun. He had that song too, that was his hit. Let me add that to my list. I think it's called Joker. Smoker. And it's by Jeff Healey band. I'll teach that one too. Anyway, this one is it's the same song. He's just reused it. And guess who's back? Back again. A minor to D minor, then E7 sharp 9. Here's A minor. Here it is with a 7 on. Or with the A on top. I tend to play my minor 7 chords like this, with the 7 as the first note. There's another 7 chord, minor 7 on D. That's D minor, and then with the 7. So, guess who's back? Back again. E7 would be this. But sharp 9 is also the minor 3rd. Shady's back, tell a friend. That one again. Let's do it again. A minor, D minor, E7. Notice that time I played it slightly differently. Instead of the 5, you can actually have the sharp 9 in there. And the sharp 5. That's the sharp 5. So we call that E sharp 9 or E alt. Excuse me. E alt. Alt chords are sharp 5, sharp 9. Remember that. That's useful to know. So you could just play it as E7. You could play it as E7 sharp 9 with a normal 5, or you could play it like that with the sharp 5 too. You can also play around with the F as well instead, which is the flat 9. That's another way of playing it there. Sharp 5, 7, and E, without a 9 at all. And the D, a couple of times there I played D minor 9, so you keep the E on there. So it just goes to show, there's so many ways you can play these chords to spice them up. Guess who's back? Back again. E7. Shady's back, tell a friend. Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back, tell a friend. Guess who's back? Back again. Etc. etc. That's the intro. Da 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 da. And then we go to verse. Well, look what the stork brung. What? Look, baby devil with the forked tongue, and it's sticking out yeah with a sore thumb. Blah. With a forehead that it grew horns from. Still a white jerk. It's him. Pull up a Chrysler to the cipher. With a fix, perks and a Bud Light shirt. A7 sharp 9. Lyrical technician, yeah. An electrician, yeah. Yeah, all lights work. And I don't gotta pretend it's you I make believe. What? Yeah, you don't know I'm here to stay. Cause why? If I was ever gonna leave, what? I'd be aspiring to break a thief. And I was asking for Megan Thee Stallion if she would collab with me. Would I really care? Would I really have a shot at a feat? I don't know, but I'm glad to be back like abracadabra. From my last trick, I'm about to reach in my bag, bruh. Abracadabra. From my last trick, just like that, and I'm back, bro. Now, back in the days of old me, right around the time I became a dope fiend. Anyway, that's first two. And then you have a chorus again, and then you have a bridge, which is the same chords. Sometimes I wonder what the old me'd say if he could see that the way shit is today. Look at this shit, man. He'd probably say that everything is gay, like Happy. What's my name? What's my name? Slim Shady. Guess who's back? Back again. Okay, you basically have the whole song with those three chords. It's just a groove around that old Jeff song, Jeff Healey Band, Abracadabra. Pretty good song, although I think the Joker was better, right? That was his #1 hit. So thanks for watching the channel Between the Keys. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, give your requests for other songs if you have any in the comments, and I shall see you in the next one.